Today I'm going to show you how you can add a role to your Discord server. So first of all, once we are on our Discord here, we need to select the server we want to add a role to. So I will just click my gaming server right here. And from here, what you need to do is click on the drop down menu right next to the name. Once we do this, you will then be able to select server settings. And then once we select server settings, come to the left hand side bar here, select the roles option, and then this will bring you over to this page. From here, what we can do is we can click on create role. And then once you do that, as you can see, a new role has now been added. So if I just want to just change the name of this, so I could put something like new member, for example. Once you have done that, you can click on the role color. So obviously this will be how they are showed on Discord. You can go through and you can change a couple of settings here. And then what we need to do is we need to go over to manage members, and then you can search for the members inside your Discord server that you want to add to this role. So for example, if I just go ahead and search, and then I can click on this, click on add, and then as you can see, this person has now been added to this role within inside my Discord server. So that's how easy it is to add a new role within Discord.